Hello, guys. As a guy that shares ways to make money online, one of the questions I get the most is, does this work in my country? And I can pass qualifications. How do I go about this? Does this require any form of training or skills? So these are like the top questions I get a lot from people. And here is an opportunity that does not require any of this. You are qualified for this one for sure. Now, generally, I tell people that making money online, LinkedIn is a very powerful tool. And I say that because you can use LinkedIn to optimize your job search. You can use LinkedIn to get like a lot of online gigs and, stay abreast with current information in the job market. But this is a little bit different. Now, there are people called LinkedIn agencies. Basically, what they do is that they collect a lot of users' profile and they try to promote brands, international brands, foreign brands. So basically, when they get these users, they just use them to maybe write comments and click likes and do a lot of stuffs with them. And this is why LinkedIn is a very, very important platform, unlike every other social media. And you should be on LinkedIn. Definitely create a LinkedIn today. Now, what you do is that you just need to create a LinkedIn, develop the LinkedIn, and get it to like 500 followers. Some agencies accept 200 followers, and it's very easy to get those followers. You just have to follow people on LinkedIn, and that's all. So just keep following people and connecting. And when it gets to 500 or even 200 and 300, you can now use that's your account, and give it to an agency. Now, I don't generally like that because a lot of agencies has contacted me for my account that they want to pay me $50 a month, some of them $30 a month, and I'm not interested because my LinkedIn is more valuable to me than $50 a month. But some of you, it may be what you want, but I don't advise that. So what I generally advise is that look for a relative that you know is not online person, is not online inclined, and does not need their LinkedIn account. Then all you need to do is develop that account for them. Just keep connecting with a lot of people, and when the account gets up to like some months, couple months old, some agencies out like require outrageous requirements, like the account must be 1 year old. So depending on the agency you're applying with, so you just need to build that account, and when it gets to a good number of follow connects, like it's called on LinkedIn, then you just give it to an agency. Now, if you have an account that has met these requirements and you want to submit your account to an agency, just comment down and I'm going to connect with you and link you to an agency. Now, I'll refrain. This this account you're giving, should I generally advise, should not be your main account, because I feel your main account is more valuable than $50 on LinkedIn. There's a lot you can do on LinkedIn. By the time you keep using LinkedIn and develop yourself and your skills, LinkedIn is a very powerful tool, and I don't advise you to trade your account for $50. But if you have somebody that you can create a LinkedIn profile for and they have NIN, because when you give your account to agencies, one thing you should know is that the IP will change because it will be used in different countries. So make sure you have an ID card like international passport or original voters card or original NIN, So whenever it's flagged, you just do your verification and continuously make money every month. It's like the easiest way you can make money because you just need to create an account and everything is done for you. You just give them your login and they just keep paying you monthly. So if you need to connect with a LinkedIn agency, you can just write it in the comments and I'm going to reach out to you and link you to I think I know about three very trusted agencies that I can recommend for you. So this is the easiest way you can actually make money with your LinkedIn account, even if there are many ways. And I intend to make a video completely detailing how LinkedIn works and what you can actually do with LinkedIn. So guys, peace and love.